Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fade an image to transparent in Photoshop. A super useful skill if you're looking to create soft edges, blend two images, or make graphics that seamlessly fit different backgrounds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a beautiful fade effect, and you'll be able to apply this technique to any photo, graphic, or project. Let's get started. First, open up Photoshop and load the image you want to work with. If you're new to Photoshop, just go to File, then Open, and select your file. Once your image is open and ready, we're going to do a very important first step, which is duplicating the background layer. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and J on your keyboard. What this does is make an exact copy of your background, and it's a professional best practice. It keeps your original safe, so if you ever want to go back or fix something, you always have the untouched image right there. Duplicating the layer also ensures that whatever changes or effects you apply are non-destructive, so you have much more control and flexibility. Next, with your new duplicated layer selected, look to the bottom right of your screen. In the Layers panel, you'll see a small rectangle icon with a circle in the middle. That's your Layer Mask button. Go ahead and click on it. Layer masks might sound technical, but think of them like an adjustable window. You decide which parts of your image are visible and which fade or disappear without deleting anything. This is one of the most flexible and powerful tools in Photoshop for blending and revealing parts of a layer. Now, let's create the fade effect itself. Make sure your mask is selected. You'll know it's active when there's a white outline around the mask thumbnail. Next, head over to the toolbar on the left and select the Gradient tool. It looks kind of like a rectangle with a fade from black to white. If you don't see it right away, it might be tucked under the Paint Bucket tool. Just click and hold, and you'll find it there. For a smooth, transparent fade, make sure you're using the Linear Gradient option. This sets up a straight, even fade across the image, which is perfect for the kind of effect most designers want. Up at the top toolbar, you'll see a row of gradient styles. Pick the one that looks like a straight line. The colors should be black to white. Don't worry if yours are different, because you can adjust them by clicking on the gradient preview at the top. Here's where the magic happens. With your gradient tool ready and your layer mask selected, click somewhere in your image, typically where you want the fade to start, and drag towards the area you want it to become transparent. For example, if you want the bottom of a portrait to gently dissolve away, click near the chest and drag down toward the bottom edge, then let go. Photoshop will automatically apply the gradient, and you'll see your image gradually fading into transparency. If the fade is too sharp or not enough, you can undo and try again, dragging for a longer distance to make the effect softer, or a shorter one for a more abrupt transition. Remember, every image is a little different, and it's totally normal to experiment with where you start and end the gradient. Take a moment here to look at the result. You should see your image fade smoothly into nothing, as if melted softly into the background. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. You can always adjust the layer mask by applying another gradient or switching the direction. It's all non-destructive and reversible. And that's it. You've now successfully faded your image to transparent using Photoshop's mask and gradient tools. This technique opens up endless possibilities for creative design, digital art, marketing graphics, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions or want suggestions on other effects. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step Photoshop tutorials. See you next time.